Hello dear, welcome to our online class for standard 5th. With this opportunity, I would like to take this an opportunity to welcome all my dears on Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation online education for English medium. Today we are going to learn subject EVS 2 for standard 5, and in this we are going to learn about chapter 6 Stone Age Stone Tools. My name is Mrs. Pramila Nitin Wagmare. With this, I would like to take an opportunity to say thank you to all my officers. Myself, Mrs. Pramila Wagmare, our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreeti Kaur Anand, and CNO, Mr. Ratin Lal Sir. Always we start with a good thought. And today's thought of the day is, be proud of how hard you are working. In this pandemic, we are doing very hard with all our activities. We are staying at home and doing our work from home. We are learning through our mobiles and laptops. And we should be proud whatever we are doing and we are working. I would like to tell you about some protocol of corona. You should protect yourself and loved ones from coronavirus. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water, or use any alcohol-based hand wash or hand rub. Cover your mouth with nose while sneezing and coughing. Cover your nose also. Avoid close contact with anyone who has a cold or flu-like symptoms. If you have a fever, cough, or any difficulty regarding breathing, seek medical care as early as possible to avoid spread of coronavirus. Now let's take an opportunity to see back whatever we learned in our previous class. Just have a look at this picture. Which instrument is this? In your house, at village, in your neighbor ones, you must have seen this instrument tool. What is that? Is that khalbatta, silbatta, or mixer grinder? Yes, what is it? Silbatta. In Marathi, we said it is at Patavarvanta, and in Hindi English, it is silbatta. Very good, my dears. Now let's complete this fill in the blanks. Homo is a Latin word which means is that animal, man, or have habilis. Yes, it is man. In the Latin word, homo means man. Now let's towards the next one. The Neanderthals primarily lived in where? Is it Europe, garden, or cave? Yes, it is cave only. Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. Very good, my dears. Now, this chapter 6 is, in this chapter, we are going to learn about Stone Age and stone tools. Various types of tools man used in search of food, and for that he used various stones of various shape. Here I have some pictures for you. In this you can see various flecks of stones which is used as stone tools. You want to take it for you. What you will do, you will first scratch with your hands. Then if it is can't do, he will look after for some other tool to dig it out. If you find some stone, you will try with stone, and then also if it is not possible, you will go for some bigger tool like twig or any such kind of stick. And these are the various tools. Even today also we are using it. Now see this man with various types of stone tools, axe and arrows. In this our class, we are going to learn about types of tools according to the types of task and stone edge and stone tools. Now let's go through these types and forms of tools according to the type of work. Just now I talked to you that if you saw any shiny thing in the mud, you want to get it, and you used various types of tools to avail it. In this also, we are going to see we use tools according to the demand of the task we have to perform. If you want to throw or to hurt anyone at a long distance, you will choose a small stone which will go very far. If you want to take want a mango from tree, you will throw a small pebble on it. You will not throw a big stone. Following four factors determines the choice of tools, that is availability of sources, minimal use of time and energy, maximum efficiency, skill of handling tools, acquired through practice. Now let's see the types of various stone tools which is used as a tool. It is first thing here in this picture we seen, it is a chopper made from pebble. The next one is a scraper that scraps the things. Then the third one is a circular hammer stone. Hammer stones that to derived seeds and hard material from a fruit. A chopper made from flake of stone. See here, a fourth one. A borer made from a bone. See this bone. A bone of any animal or a fish. The sixth one is an antler used as a pick. Now let's have a look at the stone tools. In the previous class, we learned that the stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. So he searched on it, he investigated on it, and he has limited use such as scraping meat like skin of dead animals, breaking bones to get bone marrow. And here in this, we can infer from this that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. He was not hunting by himself. He hunted small animals like rabbit, deer, and gathered eggs with fruits and roots to eat. Now let's have a look at some more tools, stone tools, which is made by Homo habilis. Man is very curious animal, and he continuously observes, experiments himself, and after that, with his inborn imagination, human learned that he could sharpen rods, sticks, and stones into tools to carry out their task with more efficiency. He also learned that he could give this object any shape, any whatever he want to make with. And that's why he could make these tools were made by human before thousands of years ago. Tools made from bones are rarely found because to bone get dissolved in the water. Dissolved in the mud, soil. And since vegans decompose easily, we do not find any tools made from bone to sticks and twigs. Now let's have a look at Stone Age tools. This is very interesting chapter for you because it is related with our life and way to live in the very crucial period of Stone Age and Ice Age. The period from which mainly stone tools are found is called stone tools. The Stone Age is divided into 3 periods, especially the stone tools which we found right now. That is Stone Age, Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic Age. Here, Paleo means old and lithos means stones. Like that way only. Middle Stone Age, that is known as Mesolithic. Here Meso means middle. And the third one, which we are going to learn about, is Neo Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Here Neo means new. Now let's have a look at Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic Age. In this period, this Homo habilis and Homo erectus were belong to Old Stone Age. Both of them made their tools using the percussion techniques. What is the meant by percussion techniques? Percussion technique means where one large pebble is struck against another to obtain stone flakes. First stone tool made in Old Stone Age with this technique only. One side of these tools had a sharp edge that could cut easily anything. This indicates that Homo habilis had not yet learned to hunt. To hunt anything, we required a sharp thing on both edges. But in the Old Stone Age, we could not find this type of tools. He used the flakes of stones for scraping made from hide, that is dead animals, hunted by some or other animals, for chopping meat with small pieces or other foodstuffs for sharpening wooden sticks, etc. In this age only, you can see tools like hand axe and cleaver made by Homo erectus. That is quite more proportionate and symmetrical, which we learned in our mathematics. Symmetrical means both sided are equal. That choppers made by Homo erectus were in a symmetrical. Homo erectus was using different tools for different tasks according to their demand of task. However, is the task that he is making the tools. In this picture, you can see one human is striking one pebble with another pebble. And in another picture, we can see he is having an hand axe in his hand. With improved tools, Homo erectus could have a greater variety of food because he could now hunt a variety of big and small animals. With the invention, with the more and more curiosity, he made variety of various types of stone tools. The Neanderthals, the man of this period, made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flax scrap of from them. These tools were fixed on bone or wooden shaft or twig to use like spear and axe, etc. These various types of tools you can see used for various functions.
What about
Science brought about evolution in the technique of making tools. He made various implements
tools?
like
He made
knife. Here
various
in this picture you can
implements
see knife,
like
drawer,
knives, scraper,
scraper,
border,
etc. He also used ivory and red
he
stones for
also
the
used
parts and variety for making tools and another articles you can see in this picture. As we move ahead to learn about our human history, Homo sapiens had made significant progress in gaining knowledge of his environment and also technique of making tools and obtaining food. This observation, this study, make him unable to stay in one place for a longer period. Homo erectus were wandering, but Homo sapiens was staying
not
at one place. They had started celebrating social festivals, many artistic objects we seen in the last class, just last class about cave painting in a various cave that is made by Homo sapiens. Thus, the beginning of human culture back to the old Stone Age celebrations, festivals we can see in the old Stone Age. Now, let's move ahead for our next period, our next slide about remains found in India. In India, we see various types, various places where uh, a particle or you can see sites of old stone age found. That is from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. Fossil, fossils of human skull and the collarbone of an old Stone Age woman were found in on the bank of Narmada River in Madhya Pradesh, and also the fossilized skull of child found at a village near Puducherry. In Maharashtra, Gangapur on the bank of Godavari River, and also Chirki Nevasa in the Pravara Basin, you will find the old Stone Age sites. This shows that India have a very old culture. Now let's move towards old Stone Age. Sorry, it is a middle Stone Age, that is Mesolithic period. In this picture, you can see humanity it's with in a group celebrating various types of festivals and celebrations of birth and death. He's hunting animals with bows and arrows. He's using various types of tools. Due to the change in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the life of the human also changed. Besides hunting, Homo sapiens started to harvest food grains. And here in the Middle Stone Age, we see that the agricultural and the cultivation is started. and domestication of the animal also we will be found in this period only. And this is the beginning of settled life in the life of human race. He used implements, tools like knife, sickle, by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into groove in a bone on a piece of wood. Here in this picture, you will see the various types of Middle Stone Age which is used by Homo sapiens. And plotted core technique is found in this period only. You can see a flush hook for hunting fish and all that animals. Now let's have a look at another various sites found in India. That is Begor in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Langlaj in Gujarat, Patna in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra. Here we go to New Stone Age, that is very near to us as per the history period. Here in this period we see polished and smooth shiny finished tools. As this was a new type of tool making technique, this period is also named as New Stone Age. In this period, agricultural and domestication animals had become routine way of life, and that's why hunting becomes secondary source of obtaining food. In the Old Stone Age, it was the first primary source of obtaining food, but in the New Stone Age, it becomes secondary source of obtaining food. Many sites of New Stone Age were found in India, especially along Ganga River, and in south, we will found in up to Godavari River. Now let's complete the fill in the blanks. The period on which the tools that we find are mainly made from stone is called, which period it is? Stone Age period. Which period it is? Stone Age period. Now next fill in the blank. Dash near Nasik is well known old Stone Age site in Maharashtra. Gangapur. It is Gangapur. Now find out the odd pair from the following. In Rajasthan we seen Beggar. Madhya Pradesh we have seen Bhimbetka. In Gujarat we seen Langlaj. And in Maharashtra, it is not Bijapur, it is Gangapur. So it is wrong pair. This one is the wrong pair. This is wrong pair. Fourth one is the wrong pair. Maharashtra Bijapur is the wrong pair. Now, which of the following modern machine has stone grinders? If you observe minutely, our mixer is made with metal. Our juicer is also made with metal, but a flour mill. It is a flour mill. Very good, Shamika. Very nice. Now I would like to tell you one thing. Just take a screenshot to complete the question answers and fill in the blanks. Take a screenshot to complete your homework. Answer the following question in brief. How did man use a percussion technique? Percussion is the technique used by the Homo habilis and Homo erectus These Homo habilis and Homo erectus made their tools using this technique of percussion. This technique involved beating or striking one large pebble against another to obtain stone flakes. This technique, today also we have seen this technique while making silbatta. Now next question, what revolution was brought about by Homo sapiens in tool making techniques? The Homo sapiens tools were
Of new
very
stones in
smooth
stone tools
and they were
was
shiny,
polished
polished tools.
to
And that's
give
why
a smooth, shiny
this
finish
tool-making
were made
technique
for
is
the
also
first
named as
time.
New Stone Age
As it be a
technicals.
new type of tool making technique, the period was named as Stone Age.
And top of
Correct, dear. Now
animal
I would
dance.
like to
Happy
wish you Happy
dance.
Children's Day because just
Healthy.
3 days before we celebrated our great leader's birthday, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, Chacha Nehru's birthday on 14th of November. On that occasion, I would like to wish my all dears a very, very happy Children's Day to all my dears. Now, as usual, we are facing very crucial period right now. So stay home, stay
Your
safe,
voice is not coming.
with your all happiness.
Bye, miss.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
thank you to all my dears.
Thank you.
Thank you, dears.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.